as I said, this is the buy we called in the morning, right? This is the very interesting buy we called in the morning, and it was totally updated on the group. So now we are seeing something else. Let's go to the chart. Okay, anyone is here? Uh, so we said, based on the zone, we have one zone here, right? One zone here, and when market was there, right? When market was there, you guys hear me?
Yeah, no, sorry. I'm with you.
Okay, fine. Look what we said. This is the zone that where we are buying market, right? And market was here. Market was here when we are there. So we said we have this zone, right? This zone and this zone because of the failing zone. And I said in the morning, like, this is the nearest one, so we will see the nearest reaction first, and then did not know that your name was Vijay. I was thinking like it was only posted on the paid group. How people got access on that one? So now we know that your name is Vijay. Okay, no problem. So listen, Shakir, you here?
Yeah, bro, I'm here.
So you're listening or you're talking to someone else?
No, I'm listening.
Okay.
Actually, I just muted myself because I was walking, so I muted myself.
Okay, no problem. So listen, this is the buy zone, right? So market was here in the morning.
Yeah.
We call that buy zone. So, and what I said, like, let's like this is the zone that we are expecting. It was like 100 and something pips, right? Also from here to there we measure, it was like almost 300 pips. So I said this will be the first zone. We'll see that market will react, and wait a minute. So okay, this is the first zone that we are going to see market will react. So once it reacted, that this is the call of the buy, right? Then how we are going to enter on here. Now as we know that this is the this is what, right? This is what, look at this one, you will know this is the failed, right? And this is the failed, right? So when market goes to that failed zone, what we look for? We look for roadblock on higher 30-minute. Look, this is the roadblock. See the reaction. This is not something
Bro, I have a question. But one question. The base zone is marked H4, right?
yes, this you I don't need to tell you where from this H4 coming from.
Yeah. I just want to ask you, but we need to wait for the trade control, right?
We are not taking the sale, we are exiting our trade.
Okay.
This is the session for the roadblock, not the execution.
Okay.
You forgot, right? You already forget what we are here. I said let's see something how roadblock was.
Got it.
So look, as this is the zone in H4, this is the zone in H4, and this is the level in the 30-minute. Why 30-minute? Because the base time frame is where? 4 hour, right? And when you go to the 30-minute, this is the zone that we are seeing, and immediately we see the reaction. Now the reaction is nothing.
No, I have a question.
Yes. Do I covered the roadblock part with you yet?
No.
So why there is no question? Is it based on the roadblock? Is your question based on the roadblock?
Yes.
And no. There is no chance you can have the floor for the question until you don't know how to operate in that part, right?
Okay.
Okay. So so you know that what in the morning session, this is the thing, like we said, we will see eventually market stop there, right? And now in the 30-minute we are seeing how it is stopped there. Now, when we go that part, we take that position. Bijay, I will give a schedule tomorrow or day after tomorrow with you, right? Right. So, have a great night and day for everyone. This is the crazy day, and doesn't matter what crazy day. If you go to the 15 minute, you will see why this is happening right now. So I'm not going to show you what it is doing or not, right? So let's say have a great day. Bye bye, guys.